Matt 820. We want you to recall and remember your own ancestors. You see, history carefully recorded it. They said everything that they touched their hands became as good. There's a reason ancient Egypt was called the land of the gods. They didn't live like animals, they didn't live like dogs. The land of the gods. These are very highly creative agents. These are very highly productive agents. When you're a god, you don't have any reason to worship another god. The secret is this: because they knew the right energy, they knew who God was. They knew the real form of God. They knew that if there was anything like God, that it existed like energy, like frequency, like vibration. And they were very, very careful to connect back to it. And make no mistake about it. Those ancient Egyptians are you and me. They were handless. No motive to go to war. The principles that guided their life was such that they cannot be able to raise any hands against to hurt anybody. But what the destroyer came, and swooped in, took advantage. That is about you and me. That is the history of you and me. These are people that came in with nothing, total strangers. They asked for water. Your own ancestors fed them with milk. A royal welcome with cola nut. And these are people who, when they were leaving, they left with all the treasures, plundered all the treasures, and left you with garbage and with trash. Are you comfortable to continue to cherish the trash? Are you comfortable to be the only one standing rich? While your own people are divided and disunited, and poor and languishing and naked? We did not feel comfortable doing that, and that is why we had to step up to the plate and to do it. As space testers, we're doing it. As pathfinders, we're doing it. Enlightenment is the way to go. From entertainment to enlightenment, and empowerment is the way to go. From entertainment to empowerment. You're wondering whose voice are you hearing? This is LTBLIGHT, Premier Member #1, planting it here online forever and ever. Just as our own ancestors planted it on earth, buried it inside the ancient pyramids on earth here, as a treasure in the hands of your own children. That is the same way. My art, we are planting it. Knowledge, my art, science, we are planting it. My art, technology. But it begins with your own actions today. Pay careful attention. COACHEMEN, entrepreneur, inventor, investor, investing it in you. Investing in worldwide, marketer, marketing it with all. We don't have any discrimination whatsoever in our mind. You will not delay or procrastinate. Procrastination destroys our destiny. You are going to take action today. We are going to give you a clarion call, a historic call, no different from the call given to Moses. He seized the opportunity when he came. No difference from the call given to Abraham of old. Abraham, a stock of Abraham, a proverb. Abraham is a proverbial figurehead. A figurehead that understands what enlightenment means and empowerment means. Answer this very call. If you follow the successful, you too will become successful. Wherever you are that you're watching this video, we have made it possible for you to be able to download your own spiritual exercise that will remove poverty forever and ever from your life. The antidote kit that we give is for you to stand in wellness upon the face of the earth. And the well-being kit that we provide right here that can be downloaded is just so that you can begin to count your blessings on it and to name them one by one for you to live a fulfilled life. As you can see, it is not a bulky work as such. If you are not tired of information overload, then go ahead and do whatever you have been doing. If you are not tired of failing, buying a program and it did not work, and you did not see it serving your purpose, vitamins, selling vitamins, selling all kinds of. This is the treasures of your own ancestors assembled. This is the great thought. Their school of thought gathered together. If you have been praying that you want the miseducation amongst your people in your land to be destroyed, you have the product. It is written. We have decoded it. For a mentor that will guide you to begin to understand it, to begin to hear your own, to begin to hear the voice of your own ancestors, we have attracted that very energy. It shall be well with us. 10 carefully graded steps, 10 days steps, no more than that, will guide you all the days of your life. Don't be afraid, don't be ashamed, don't be guilty. Come online. We are inviting all and Sunday to come into the global market to earn your true worth and your true potentials, to earn in the right currency, to wed in the right current. It shall be well with us. We've done noble and justice to this very message. 828 day. This message continues till tomorrow. It will last for 1001 day. Okay, so be here with us until the last day. We're only on the 828th day, which is today. Okay, we are not despaired. We love you. We appreciate your presence here. Okay, at the end of this very video, don't fail us, so that your crops will not continue to fail. Don't doubt, don't procrastinate, and don't delay. Carefully align yourself back with the energies, and it shall be well with us. Okay, we appreciate you. We love you. We're going to sign off now for the day. It's a short video, but power-packed video that sets you on a direction. Okay, and also to let you go and begin to do those spiritual exercises that counts in your life, to begin to build it, that business, that industry. Okay, shame the devil, shame the destroyer. Okay, let's begin to shame that destroyer in our lives. No more poverty, and do be well. Thank you.